Oh,
Oh wait. Oh, okay.
it's me, Madeline, and she's Lauren. We are going to try to do an American accent in this video, so you should try it first.
Okay. What word should I try?
You should be like, just say a random like sentence, like I love going to McDonald's to get fat.
Okay. I love going to McDonald's to get fat. Fat. Your turn.
Okay. Mouthwash makes my mouth minty. I guess that was okay, wasn't it?
Yes, a little bit. Bananas are delicious.
And cats are cats are fluffy.
Robert Pattinson is sexy.
Indeed. Let's see. I like to watch nail polish videos.
Yes, indeed. Honey Badger don't care. Honey Badger don't give a shit.
That was good.
Thank you.
I like to go to Dick's Sporting Goods to get sporting goods.
Hockey sticks are fun to hit things with.
Okay, well, I think that's the end of our video.
I hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.